After this spiritual walk, no more financial problems, no more marriage problems, no more spiritual problems. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you that shared your testimonies on my previous videos. May God give you many more testimonies. My name is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. On this channel, I make videos for people that want to solve their spiritual problems using simple natural ingredients. If you have faith and believe that things is going to work for you, then I want you to join this big family. What you will do is simple. You will press the red button and you will subscribe to my channel, and you make sure you turn on the bell so that you can always get my videos every single day. Alright, and as you do so, God will answer your prayers. Alright, today I'm showing you a very powerful spiritual tips that you can do to stop your financial problems, to make sure you stop your money problems, to make sure you stop your marriage problems, to make sure you stop job problems, any problems that you might be going through. This spiritual work is going to solve it. Okay, so what do we need? What you need is very simple. You need three ingredients, three natural ingredients. You need your early morning urine, you need lemon or lime. You only need 2 pieces of lemon or lime, okay? And you need sea salt. Now, if you don't have sea salt, you can use any type of salt that you have, okay? So when I talk about early morning urine, it has a lot of spiritual benefits, okay? Don't joke with it. You may think it's a waste product, something that you pee. A pee, why would you use a pee? I pity you. But if you know, for those of you that have tried it, you will bear witness that it works 100%. Okay, so you will get your early morning urine. Any urine that you get from midnight up to like 5 a.m. in the morning, that is considered early morning urine. It's very, very powerful. So you make sure you collect it in a container and you keep it. Okay, and you make sure you get sea salt. For this spiritual work, you only need just 1 tablespoon of sea salt or any type of salt, and you have 2 lemons. So what you will do is this spiritual works can be done any time of the day. You can do this just before you go to bed or when you are just waking up, before you talk to anybody at all. That is when you're going to do this spiritual work. You can do it in the afternoon, as long as there is nobody around you that will cause, that will cast evil eyes on what you're doing, or somebody that will disturb you. Okay, so now once you get all these ingredients ready, okay, you make sure you get a bowl or a jar, something to hold your mixture. So now you add 1 tablespoon of salt to your early morning urine, and now you are going to use that water to rub your face down to your body. Okay, you will start from your head down to your body. When you do this, you will make sure that you don't have any chains, no neck chain, no leg chain on your body. Okay, so you use that urine to rub your body. The salt, you already add salt into your urine, so make sure that you use it to rub your body from your head down to your all part of your body, and you will start praying that from today on, I will never have any financial problems again. From today on, I will never have marriage problems again. From today on, I will never have repeated bad luck again. From today on, I will never suffer from witchcraft or bad energy anymore. From today on, I will never have problems, any difficult problems anymore in my life. So you pray according to your spirit, according to how your spirit leads you. So once you've done that, that's the first step. Then the second step, you're going to take the lime or the lemon that you have. You can use either lemon or lime. Okay, lime is green while lemon is yellow. You can use any of them. You don't only need 2 pieces. So now you are going to take the lemon, you're going to slice it. So now you're going to add like a pinch of salt, like 2 pinches of salt on top of it. You spread it on top of the slice of lemon. Okay, now you're going to use that water. You're going to take that lemon, the one you rub salt on, you're going to use it to rub your body once again. Okay, you rub it all over your body, rub it all over the body. Then you make another set of prayers again. Okay, so the first prayer that I told you, that's what you're going to make. Then after that, the third step now. So now the remaining lemon, you're going to get a bucket of water ready, and you're going to squeeze the remaining lemon into the water. Okay, and you will use your middle finger to mix it very well, and you're going to use that water to bath. So now when you do this bath again, no bathroom slippers, no soap, no sponge, no towels. You're going to use that water by itself to rinse yourself. You use it as a final rinse. Okay, that's why it's very important that when you do this work, you have to make sure that maybe it's the last thing that you do for that day. It will be the last bath that you take for the day, because it's very powerful. You don't want to take that bath and go right ahead and wash it off right away. No, you have to let the water sit on your body, for some time, okay, before you wash it off. So now when you're taking your bath, you have to make sure that you don't have any bedroom slippers, no chain, no earring, nothing. Then you start taking your bath and you start praying again. Okay, you may think, oh, this is very complex. Oh, why will I take through all this? The problems that you're going through, it doesn't get there just today. It's been there. It keep piling up, piling up, piling up until it is affecting you. So you should be able to do what it takes, to solve these problems. Okay, and I feel for you. That's how I'm coming here to explain this to you, so that you can do this and you can be free from all these spiritual problems that has been affecting your life. So take your time. You don't have to rush. So this spiritual work, you only need to do this for 3 days. Just 3 days. That's it. Okay, so once you've taken your bath, just go right ahead. If you do it at night, go to sleep. If you do it in the afternoon, go about your normal business. If you do it in the morning, go about your normal business. And just wait and watch what God Almighty is going to do in your life. What will happen in your life is that it will cleanse you from every bad energy, negative energy, evil covering, evil eye that is on you, that is not making people to bless you, that is not making money to flow to you, that is making you to live in poverty. All this problem will be gone and you'll be free again, and things will start falling in place for you. Your business will start attracting customers, you start making money, you start making sales, you start getting that dream job that you've been looking for a very long time. You see, people will start loving you. That's what should happen. Do this, and I want to share your testimony on my channel once it has worked for you. I will be waiting to read from you. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. They will definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.